what is up YouTube? It's Willie here back to another video. And today guys, we are comparing the Dollar Tree steak we have here to the giant steak. $803. So you guys see.
And today,
how about puzzle steak? Red.
just close your eyes.
It reeks. Here's Ben's preparing the steak. Ben, what do you got to say about your steak?
Sexy. Look at this marble here. I'm gonna butter it up with a little butter herb delight.
And then we got this meatloaf over here.
And then you got cat food. You got screaming hot pan. A little bit of oil.
An update's coming soon. A little bit of oil. It's just gliding.
And then you just take it with your hand. Put it right against the edge here so it cooks to the edge.
We got an update. Ben cooked the top of the line. Alright, so we got an update. Mine looks like cat food. Let me prepare it real quick. Another one comes soon. The final product.
Woodward, thanks for showing up.
You said there was some in it for me, so.
Now, do you remember giving this woman a ride last night?
Oh yeah, most memorable night of my life. I should have paid that.
Yo, what is up, YouTube? We're back at the final result. Here is the fat steak. See, pretty good. And then we got the $1 steak. I'm gonna start off with this one. Juicy flavor, no bad crunch. A little too chewy. Still pretty good though.
Just so I understand, you were hired to find a dog who was actually a man named Trevor Starr. Here, but you don't remember any of it.
Do I want to eat this? It's for the video. It tasted like a school hamburger.
Yes, sir.
It's the best way I can describe it. This looked absolutely like cat food. I don't think I could do this again. Pretty gross. So obviously the $1 steak does not cut it. The $10 steak did a very much better job. Yeah, this is my chocolate milk.
Stay thirsty,
I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe, and peace out.